Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all are having an amazing day. Inshallah, I'm having the best day of my life. This is GoPro right now, and subhanallah, sister one also started joining YouTube. She's also gonna be making videos, but her content is gonna be different. Listen to me guys. So what she told me she wants to do is that she's gonna make cooking videos, and also she's gonna record, the vlogging type of things. But on top of that, her specialty in the content is going to be that she's gonna record cooking videos, and then she's gonna give it to me and Imran and rest of the families to tell like how did it taste. It's gonna be very crazy, very different content. It's also gonna include us, inshallah. And this is like a vlogging channel but also like a cooking channel, so it's a mixture. Hopefully you guys like it. Right now they're going outside because it's raining. Okay, so I gave her my GoPro guys because she doesn't really have a good phone. Her phone is really bad and she cannot edit from her phone. She's laughing at the back right now. And she can't edit from her phone, so she's also gonna take my old laptop in which she's gonna start editing in Sony Vegas. She's gonna edit like me and Imran, while sister 2 edits in her iPhone. So that's the difference. I already told her what you're gonna make. I already told them what you're gonna make.
Guys, I hear them talking about it. Let's see what they're saying. Oh my god. Bro, she's recording with Dawood's GoPro. Which channel are you giving?
I'm giving her the channel which I was gonna use for the business purpose. You're not showing me. Why? Guys, I'm gonna tell you guys why. Because I want to start off from scratch. Okay, so I wasn't gonna give it to her. I was gonna keep it, but then I realized, oh, if I want to start a new channel, I should start from scratch. So that one, I'm gonna give it to her, inshallah. It's close to monetization and I'm not active. If it doesn't get content, khalas, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Anyway, I have a gift for sister 2, guys.
What?
She has a phone, but she doesn't have a stand for the phone, which is this one right now.
Oh, you're giving her?
Yeah, I bought it. No, wait.
You're
I
giving
bought
her
it like
a
3
stand
years
as
ago.
well?
Yeah, I bought it like not 3 years ago, sometime ago.
Show me.
And it can also keep me big.
This is crazy.
And look, the best part.
What?
We can keep
it
like
can
this.
be a Elon Musk rocket.
Yeah. There you go.
This is how the rocket lands, bro.
And this is for sister 2. Sister 1,
Oh
sorry.
my god.
I laid the Dynamos and I didn't pray.
Yo, here's yours. Take this. Take. No, this is this one. Take. And this is yours. Here, have it. Go. So where's my thank you?
I will say thank you with what I cook.
So you guys are not gonna say thank you?
Do you say thank you for what I make for you?
Bro, ungrateful people, bro. I gave them gifts and they're not even saying thank you, bro.
Imran, how do you feel about me joining YouTube?
Oh my god. Yeah, it feels amazing. Our whole family has become YouTuber. I'm just waiting for our grandchildren to start YouTube as well.
Do you mean it, or are you just saying that for the video?
No, I mean it. Why would I lie?
Why would I lie, bro?